Edmonton, Alberta, July 10, 2026.
Look how deep the water is. Buddy's car is stuck.
Everybody that's in a car is like, fuck.
No, gross it out.
Wow, look at it. Now you can't even see over there.
A powerful band of thunderstorms is sweeping across the Edmonton region tonight, and the most intense part of it is sitting right over the western communities. The storm also caused flooding in several areas of Edmonton, Alberta. Videos posted by social media users show streets at the intersection of 97th Street and 111th Avenue submerged in water. 50th Street experienced similar conditions, and reports of flooding continue to come in from various parts of Edmonton simultaneously. This has paralyzed residents' activities and caused significant disruption. Residents are also advised to exercise caution while driving, especially when passing through flooded areas.
You only see that shit in movies.
Radar the evening of July 10th showed the storm's heaviest core over St. Albert and pushing east toward Edmonton, with heavy returns stretching back through Spruce Grove and Stony Plain to the west and up toward Morinville to the north. Environment Canada warns the strongest cells bring large hail, damaging winds, and torrential rain, with an isolated tornado not ruled out. The cells are moving fast, so warnings are being issued and expiring within the hour.
Wow.
The storm is hitting the western and northern parts of the Edmonton region hardest as it tracks through. St. Albert took the most intense part of the core, heavy rain, the highest hail risk, and the strongest wind. Spruce Grove and Stony Plain, just west, sat in the line of the storm as it moved through. Morinville, to the north, fell under the heavier returns too. And the city of Edmonton, along with Sherwood Park and the rest of the metro to the east, is next in the storm's path as it moves that way. If you're in any of these communities, this is the window to get inside, move vehicles under cover if you can, and keep your phone close for alerts.
Betsy can take it.
Goodness. Someone's driving their bike in there.
Alright, here we go. We need to turn this mode on.
Oh shit, son! Get it! We got cows!
The main threats are large hail and strong winds. In the strongest cells, Environment Canada and forecasters have flagged hail up to golf ball size and wind gusts that can reach 100 kilometers per hour, enough to crack windshields, dent vehicles, damage roofs and trees, and knock out power. Heavy downpours can flood low spots and drop road visibility to almost nothing in minutes. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out either. The same atmospheric setup that spun up tornadoes across central Alberta all week is still in place. For the Edmonton area tonight, the hail and wind are the bigger threat, but the tornado risk isn't zero.
Finally get my truck washed. Down here it'll be worse.
Yeah.
If a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning is issued for your area, get indoors and away from windows, and move to the lowest floor if a tornado is possible. Driving into large hail, pulling over somewhere safe usually beats pushing through it. Getting your vehicle under cover before the core arrives can save you a serious hail damage bill. Storms can outrun the alert, so it helps to read the sky. A greenish tint to dark clouds often means heavy hail. A sudden hard shift in wind can mean the storm's leading edge is right on top of you. A low rotating wall of cloud is the one to act on immediately. Don't wait to see a funnel.